everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. So go ahead and hit it. Waiting on you. Alright, now that you are subscribed, welcome. Today is another Face Beat Friday. And I'm just going to show you how I created this look. This is a simple, easy tutorial. I used a hodgepodge of Juvia's Place and box of crayons. I'm not going to go into super detail about everything I used. The main product I wanted to showcase is the Heroin Glow 2 by Juvia. I used it a few different ways, and you'll see on my eyes and on my cheeks. And so I want y'all to tell me what y'all think about this look, and if you recreate it, to make sure you tag me on Instagram at @BStokedStyling. And I'm done talking, so let's just get into the video. I also want to thank @CurlyHeadedMan on IG for this background music. Thank you, Brandon. I really love all the beats that you send me. I look forward to playing more. And y'all drop down in the comments and tell me what you think. Alright, you guys, that's it. That's the end of Face Beat Friday. I hope you all enjoyed this look. Please make sure you come back next week for another hot video. Also, leave your comments down below and tell me what you think. If you want to know about what's going on with me, any specials I have, and all of my wigs and everything like that, please visit my website, www.bstokestyling.com, and I will see y'all next week. Peace.